Hello everybody, I'm Adrian and today I'm going to do a quick review on the Mitchellin Pilot Sports all seasons. So this car came with the summer only, and ever since I've owned it I've always had the summer only tires. So I want to just give my quick review now that I've had the tires replaced. So the front ones I still haven't replaced them yet, which I already got them, but I'm still a little bit over the wear mark. These are the BF Goodrich summer only. They were on back order, and these are the tires that I'm going with. These ones are actually, it's these ones are for the front, the Pilot Sport all season. Also, these ones are run flats. They'll say CP. These ones are for another car, and these ones are also the Pilot Sport all season, but they are not run flat. Got the rears replaced already with the all seasons, and yeah, in case you're wondering, I did get back into there. So anyways, but yeah, so at first I was thinking maybe I'd be disappointed with the performance of the all season versus the summer only, but honestly, I think the advantages that I get outweigh the cons, because I'm not really tracking this car. I'm not really going in the mountains, and the performance is great. I can't even tell the difference if it's dry, but when it's cold, it's a huge improvement having the all seasons. Also, when it's raining, I get way better traction when it's cold and when it's raining. With the summer only, anytime it was like 30 degrees, it just felt so slippery, like it was raining. So I'm glad I switched over to the all seasons. And at the same time, I think it's nice having the run flats again. But yeah, the sidewall is really thick. Also, it seems like the inside of it is built different. Like I said, these ones are the run flats and these ones are not, but they're all still called the Pilot Sport all season 4. But the inside does look a little bit different between the two. And these ones, we have a much bigger channel for the water to pass through, and versus these ones. And then also these are supposed to be better for the rain as well. So I definitely notice a big difference during the rain. So I'll be replacing them soon, since I already got my set.